Welcome back to Learning Power BI Desktop. Download and install Power BI Desktop. In this video, I'm gonna show two different ways you can get the Power BI, download and install it and get started in just a few minutes. There are many ways to download and install Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is available to download for free. I mentioned the two ways you can download Power BI Desktop. The first one you can download from Microsoft download page, and second one from Microsoft Windows Store. Just you can type this URL address. Here we have a download page, and if you want you can also Google download Power BI Desktop. Here we have a result, download Microsoft Power BI Desktop. And we have two options here, download and advanced download option. Click on advanced download option, and this is the same page which I have mentioned before. And here you can select language and detail, system requirement. Just click on download, and then it will be ask you two options, 64-bit and that one is 32-bit. Almost all new computers are 64-bit, then I will highly recommend installing the 64-bit because it would perform faster and better than a 32-bit. Once you select it to download and press next, and now downloading has been started. When it has been completed, just open file. So here we have a screen. When we will click on the download file, select the language, press next. Do you want to allow this app to make change your device? Yes. Just follow the screen next. I accept the term and the license agreement, yes. If you want, you can read all of them. Next. And installing location. If you want, you can change any location. Next. Create a desktop shortcut and install. Now we have completed our installation. So this was the first method. Now we're gonna start with second one. This is our second method to download from Microsoft Windows Store. If you want, you can write this URL address, or you can go to Start and Microsoft Store, Power BI Desktop. We already downloaded before. In my case, in the Microsoft Store, it tell me that I already have this product installed and it could be launched. But if we will not install before, so I could choose get to or install here. If you want, you can also write this URL address and it will take you Microsoft Store. So I will recommend you to download 64-bit. I hope you're gonna like this series Learning Power BI Desktop. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye, take care.